it's Gina with WTI. Do you have someone in your life that loves to trim their hair or beard right over the sink? Well, if you do, then you know how frustrating it is to have to try to clean up all those little pieces of hair so it doesn't go down the drain or fall onto the floor. My husband has been using these Beard Butler sink guards since he decided to start growing a beard, and that has required a lot of trimming. You can see how great these guards are at catching the hair as he's trimming it. Now, if a couple hairs do escape the guards and land in the sink or on the countertop, what I found is he can just fold it into fours, and before he throws it away, he just uses it to kind of wipe up any just stray hairs, and there's very few that may have just eked out, maybe because he was trimming on the side instead of over the guard itself. I also found this super useful for myself when I was trimming my bangs because, of course, it keeps the hair from going down the drain, and it's just such an easy cleanup. I love that. These sheets are pretty universal size. Now, we actually remodeled our bathroom in between when we got them, so you can see that it works with actually our two different sink styles. These are so convenient to use and easier than trying to fiddle with a bib or attach something to the mirror to make sure we're catching all that hair. We found them to be very useful in keeping things clean, and that's our point of view.